Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to walk through our 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. You'll see in the photos the boat has the white hull sides with the white rub rail and stainless steel insert. Bow cushion. It is equipped with the fishing package, which gives you the cooler seat, rod holders, and compass. You do have designated anchor storage underneath this bow cushion, as well as a trolling motor plug in the bow. Making our way back to the console of the boat, it is equipped with the 7-inch Simrad GPS fish finder, JL audio with speakers, a blue bimini top. Your helm seat is a 4-position helm seat. You can adjust that for an aft-facing seat, leaning post, or forward-facing seat. Designated fuel storage underneath the console, and it is equipped with the 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.